Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be Indian bridal makeup look. Step by step process आप लोगों के साथ share करूँगी, but पहले I just want to talk about this beautiful jewelry set that I got from Queen Jewels. I'm going to list down their details below so you can check them out. I'm also conducting online makeup classes, the details of which I shall be sharing in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. Let's start today's video. सबसे पहले I'm going to prime my face and I'm using NYX Studio HD Primer, and उसके बाद I'm using Kryolan का Orange color corrector for under eye. I'm using a synthetic brush to just press it onto my skin first, and उसके बाद I'm just going to dot the foundation. मैंने PAC HD Foundation use की है इस वीडियो के लिए, and I'm using this brush to first spread and stipple the foundation all over my face, and then I'm going to also take it on my neck. And for the concealer, I'm using PAC HD Spotlight concealer, I'm sorry, and I'm just going to apply it on the center part of my face, under the eye area. And again, first I'm just buffing it with the brush, and then I'm just going over with a Vichy sponge all over my base. And once this is done, we will move to contouring. So मैंने LA Girl का Pro concealer लिया है Toast में. I'm going to contour my face. First I start with the cheeks, then forehead, then my jawline and little bit of my nose. I'm again using the Vichy sponge to gently blend the contour. Again, starting first with the cheeks, then I'm going with the forehead, then I'm blend the jawline, and of course the nose as well. I'm very lightly going to press the Fit Me powder on my under eye area and just doing a little bit of cleanup for the contour to get a sharper contour look. And I'm using this one of my favorite face palette these days. This one is from KIKO. First using the blush, and I'm just removing any excess powder because I don't want it to be an overly matte look. And I'm going to mix both the highlighters from the Tuscan palette, and I'm just going to apply that on the cheeks, a little bit on the cupid's bow, a little bit on the chin area. And now to add some warmth back, using my favorite bronzer. This one is MAC Give Me Sun. I'm just going to apply it wherever I had done the contouring bit, but I'm always adding the products slowly. I like to add the products in layers rather than applying a whole lot together. For the nose contour, please, I would recommend using a smaller brush, not this one. Just applying a little bit of highlighter in the center of my nose, and just taking Anastasia Brow Wiz pomade in ebony to fill out my eyebrows, and then we can start with our eye makeup. I'm just filling up my eyebrows, and I'm using the Be Perfect palette for this. I'm first using a mustard color. I'm going to list down all the shades that I used for this from this palette. So I'm just taking it the mustard color as my crease color, and I'm going to just use the same color as my transition color as well, and I applied it at the crease and I've just blown out the color a little bit more. Now the same brush, I'm just going to apply it a little bit lower on my crease. This is a red color. I'm using the same brush and I'm just buffing it, and then I'm further down, like just on the outer corner, I'm just using a brown eyeshadow. So I'm just layering the colors now, and now I'm just taking a big brush to just gently buff everything. Just going to do a semi-cut crease. You can directly apply the gold eyeshadow at this point, but I decided to do a semi-cut crease and then apply the golden color, the yellow gold. Since it's a bridal look, I stuck with the gold color, and then I'm just taking the same brush I used for the crease colors to gently uh, soften the cut crease. I don't want it to be very harsh. Now I'm just going to apply my gel eyeliner, and I'm just using like small strokes to create the eyeliner. And for the lower lash line, I wanted to add a pop of color, so I just use a green pencil liner and set it with a metallic green. and just adding a little bit of glitter. Now glitter is obviously optional, but I'm just going to apply a tad bit of glitter. And now I'm just going to curl my lashes, apply some mascara. Make sure to wiggle the wand when you're applying mascara to give you clump free lashes. And just using the same face highlighter for the inner corner highlight and the eyebrow highlight as well. And all that is left now are my lips. So I'm using Arriba. This one is Colourpop Arriba, one of my favorite red lipsticks of all times. Just going to apply that and see you in a bit. Here is the final look with all the jewelry and the hair and everything. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please share my videos if you enjoy watching them with your friends and family. Help me grow a little bit, trying to be more and more regular here, and I hope you're enjoying my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.